Hello. Welcome to this video tutorial on the write opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this session, we'll learn how to use the write operation to add records to a database file using RPGLE. The write operation is used to write a record to a database file. It's crucial for applications where you need to add new data entries or update existing records. Let's consider an example where we have an RPGLE program that writes employee details into a database file called EMPHDR. Before we proceed with the example, let's review the structure of the EMPHDR record format. EID or employee ID, it's 7 digits, numeric. ENAME or employee name, it's 50 characters, alphanumeric. EDOB or employee date of birth, it's a date field. EDOJ or employee date of joining, again it's a date field. And a key field defined for employee ID. Let's walk through an example program that demonstrates the usage of the write opcode with the EMPHDR file. File declaration EMPHDR is declared as a disk file that supports various operations input, output, update, delete, and is keyed. Variables xdsbly is defined to hold the display message. Next, it will check if EMPHDR is not already open and opens it if necessary. Here, it assigns values to the EMPHDR file fields, EID, ENAME, EDOB, EDOJ. And then write operation writes the record into the EMPHDR file. Displays a message confirming the addition of data. Then closes the EMPHDR file. INLR equals on marks the end of the program. When you run this program, it will add a new record to the EMPHDR file with the specified details. The display message will confirm the addition of the record. That's how you use the write operation in IBM RPGLE to add records to a database file. We've covered the basic structure of the program and explained each component involved in writing a record. In the next video, we'll explore more advanced operations and techniques in RPGLE programming. Stay tuned. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more IBM RPGLE tutorials. Thank you for watching.